In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove browser extensions and clear your browsing data in Google Chrome. We'll start right inside your browser, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the main menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its tools and settings. From that menu, click on Extensions. A secondary option will appear. Go ahead and click on Manage Extensions. This opens a page that lists every extension currently installed in your browser. On the Extensions page, find any add-on you no longer use or trust. Each one has a Remove button. Click Remove, and when Chrome asks you to confirm, click Remove again. That confirmation helps prevent accidental deletions. Repeat this process for any other extensions you want to clear out. If you're unsure about an extension, consider its purpose and when you last needed it. Removing unused extensions can speed up your browser, reduce clutter, and improve privacy by limiting what runs in the background. Once you've removed the extensions you don't need, it's time to tidy up your browsing data. Next, click on Privacy and Security. This takes you to the area where Chrome manages things like cookies, cached images and files, and your browsing history. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. You'll see a window with a time range at the top. Open that menu and choose All Time. Selecting All Time ensures you remove old stuck data that could be causing slow performance, odd site behavior, or sign-in glitches. Under the Basic tab, you'll typically see options for browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. These are usually what you want to clear. Keep in mind, clearing cookies may sign you out of sites, and clearing cache means websites might load a bit slower the first time as they rebuild that data. That's normal and temporary. When you're ready, click Clear Data. Chrome will process your request, and it may take a moment if you have a lot of stored information. Once it's done, your browser should feel fresher and more responsive. If a page looks a little different afterward, just refresh it. The site will pull down updated content and resources. And that's it. You click the three-dot menu, went to Extensions, managed and removed the ones you don't need, then headed to Privacy and Security, opened Clear Browsing Data, chose All Time, and clicked Clear Data. This simple tidy up can resolve many common issues and keep your browsing running smoothly. Thanks for watching and enjoy your clean